Are you ready to unlock the secrets of flirting with younger women? Well, you're in for a treat because today we're diving into the art of charm that'll have those vibrant young ladies hanging on your every word. Forget what you think you know about age gaps. We're about to prove that experience is the ultimate aphrodisiac. Before we dive deeper, if you're looking to level up your dating game, click on the link below for a free 1-hour chat with our expert coaches. 1. Compliment her genuinely. All right, gents, let's kick things off with the art of the compliment. Now, I'm not talking about cheap flattery or cringeworthy pickup lines. We're aiming for sincerity here, fellas. The key is to notice something unique about her and appreciate it genuinely. Maybe it's the way her eyes light up when she talks about her passion project, or how her laugh can brighten up a room. These are the gold nuggets you're looking for. Forget the generic, "you're beautiful." That's amateur hour. Instead, try something like, "Your enthusiasm for marine biology is contagious." It's refreshing to see someone so passionate about their field. But here's the twist. Don't just focus on her looks. Sure, she's probably a knockout, but she's heard that a million times. Instead, compliment her mind, her skills, her ambitions. Show her that you see beyond the surface. And remember, delivery is everything. Make eye contact, speak slowly, and let your words marinate. A well-timed, thoughtful compliment can work wonders. It shows you're observant, appreciative, and most importantly, that you see her as a whole person, not just a pretty face. So, gentlemen, sharpen those observation skills and get ready to make her day with a compliment that'll stick with her long after you've parted ways. 2. Show confidence. Listen up, because we're about to talk about the most potent cologne you can wear, confidence. It's time to strut your stuff and show the world, and that captivating young lady, that you've got it going on. Now, I'm not talking about puffing out your chest like some wannabe alpha male. That's not confidence, that's compensation. Real confidence is subtle, it's magnetic, and it comes from knowing your worth. Stand tall, make eye contact, and speak with conviction. When you enter a room, own it. Not because you're trying to dominate, but because you're comfortable in your own skin. Remember, you've got years of experience under your belt. That's your superpower. But here's the kicker. True confidence also means being vulnerable. Don't be afraid to admit when you don't know something. In fact, asking her opinion on a topic she's knowledgeable about can be a great way to show you value her mind. And when it comes to approaching her, no hesitation, gentlemen. Walk up to her with purpose, introduce yourself with a warm smile, and engage her in conversation like you've been doing it your whole life, because let's face it, you have. Remember, confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about being perfectly comfortable with who you are, wrinkles, wisdom, and all. So go ahead, show her that age is just a number and confidence is timeless. 3. Use light teasing. All right, gentlemen, it's time to flex those wit muscles and dive into the art of playful teasing. This isn't about throwing insults or being mean. We're aiming for that sweet spot between charming and cheeky that'll have her grinning from ear to ear. Think of teasing as verbal sparring. It's a dance of words, a playful back and forth that creates a connection. Maybe she mentions she's a vegan and you quip, "Oh, so you're the reason my steak prices have gone up," with a wink and a smile. It's lighthearted, it's fun, and it shows you're listening. But here's the golden rule. Always punch up, never down. Tease her about her quirky habits or her passionate opinions, not her insecurities. And be prepared to take as good as you give. If she fires back with a zinger of her own, laugh it off and compliment her quick wit. Remember, the goal here is to create a bubble of fun and humor that only the two of you share. It's like your kids on a playground again, trading friendly jabs and giggling conspirators. This kind of playful interaction can quickly build intimacy and rapport. So, go ahead and let your inner jokester out to play. Just remember to keep it light, keep it fun, and always be ready with that charming smile that says, "Isn't this fun we're having?" 4. Maintain eye contact. Gentlemen, it's time to master the art of the gaze. We're talking about eye contact so magnetic, so captivating, that she'll forget anyone else is in the room. But let's be clear, we're not going for creepy staring contest vibes here. We're aiming for a connection that speaks volumes without saying a word. When you're talking to her, look into her eyes like they hold the secrets of the universe. It shows you're fully present, hanging on her every word. But here's the pro tip. Don't just stare blankly. Let your eyes react to what she's saying. If she's telling a funny story, let your eyes crinkle with amusement. If she's sharing something serious, let them soften with empathy. Now, timing is everything. Hold her gaze for a few seconds, then briefly look away before coming back. It's like a dance. Engage, release, re-engage. This creates a rhythm that's both intense and comfortable. And when you're listening, that's when the real magic happens. Maintain that eye contact. Nod slightly. Raise an eyebrow when she makes an interesting point. It's like you're saying, I see you, I hear you, and I'm genuinely interested in what you have to say. If you're enjoying the content and looking to transform your dating life, don't just watch, act. Our free strategy call offers personalized tips on meeting more women and dating with confidence. Find out more by clicking the link in the pinned comment. 5. Use humor. It's time to unleash your secret weapon, that killer sense of humor you've been honing for years. Laughter is the fastest way to a woman's heart, and you've got a lifetime of hilarious stories and witty observations up your sleeve. But here's the twist. We're not going for slapstick comedy or cheesy one-liners. We're talking about smart, observational humor that shows off your quick wit and worldly perspective. Maybe you've got a funny travel story that highlights cultural differences, or a self-deprecating tale about your first attempt at yoga. These kinds of anecdotes not only entertain, but also give her a glimpse into your life experiences. Now, don't be afraid to poke fun at yourself. Nothing's more attractive than a man who can laugh at his own foibles. Did you have a back-in-my-day moment? Call yourself out on it with a chuckle. It shows you're self-aware and don't take yourself too seriously. But remember, timing is everything in comedy. Read the room, gauge her reactions, and adjust accordingly. If she's not laughing at your dad jokes, maybe it's time to switch to some dry wit or playful sarcasm. And here's the golden rule. Always laugh with her, never at her. Your humor should bring you closer, not create distance. So go ahead, crack those jokes, share those funny stories, and watch as your humor becomes the bridge across that age gap. 6. Be playfully competitive. Listen up, because we're about to tap into one of the most potent forms of flirtation, playful competition. There's something irresistibly attractive about a man who can turn any situation into a fun, friendly contest. Maybe you challenge her to a game of pool at the bar, or a quick round of trivia about her favorite TV show. The key is to keep it light, fun, and just a tad bit silly. You're not trying to dominate or prove you're better. You're creating an opportunity for shared excitement and laughter. Here's the secret sauce. Let her win sometimes. Not in a patronizing way, but in a wow, you're really good at this way. It shows you're secure enough in yourself to appreciate her skills. And when you do win, be gracious, maybe even offer a rematch. But don't limit yourself to traditional games. Get creative. Who can come up with the worst pickup line? Who can guess the backstory of that mysterious couple across the room? These impromptu challenges can spark hilarious conversations and inside jokes. Remember, the real victory here isn't winning the game. It's winning her interest and admiration. So whether you're arm wrestling or having a pun-off, keep that twinkle in your eye and that playful smirk on your face. Because in the game of flirtation, a little friendly competition goes a long way. 7. Compliment her intelligence. All right, distinguished gentlemen, it's time to engage those beautiful brains of yours and appreciate hers. In a world that often focuses on physical beauty, showing genuine admiration for a woman's intellect can be incredibly refreshing and attractive. When she makes a sharp observation or drops a knowledge bomb, don't let it slide. Lean in, raise an eyebrow, and say something like, "That's a fascinating perspective. I've never thought about it that way before." Show her that you're not just listening, but you're actively engaging with her ideas. Don't just compliment, converse. Ask follow-up questions. Share your own thoughts. Turn it into an intellectual tango where you're both leading and following. There's something undeniably sexy about a meeting of minds. And remember, this isn't about proving you're smarter or more experienced. It's about showing her that you value substance over surface, depth over shallow charm. Maybe she schooled you on the latest tech trend or opened your eyes to a new philosophical concept. Embrace it. There's nothing more attractive than a man who's secure enough to learn from a younger woman. So, gentlemen, next time she dazzles you with her brilliance, let her know. Appreciate her mind, engage with her ideas, and watch as the intellectual sparks fly. Because at the end of the day, sapiosexual is the new sexy. 8. Use your experience to your advantage. All right, seasoned gentlemen, it's time to flex those wisdom muscles. You've got years of experience under your belt, and guess what? That's incredibly attractive to a younger woman. But here's the trick. It's all about how you present it. Don't lecture or preach. Instead, weave your life lessons into engaging stories. Maybe you've got a tale about a business venture that taught you the value of perseverance, or a travel anecdote that opened your eyes to a new culture. These stories not only entertain, but also subtly showcase your depth and worldliness. But here's the golden rule. Always relate it back to her. If she's stressing about a career decision, maybe you've got an insight from your own professional journey that could help. The key is to offer your wisdom as a tool for her to use, not a directive to follow. And remember, this isn't about proving you know more. It's about showing her that you've lived, you've learned, and you're excited to share that journey with her. Be open to her perspectives too. You might just learn something new yourself. So go ahead, share those pearls of wisdom. Let her see the wealth of experience that comes with your silver fox status. Because in the end, your life lessons are like a fine wine. They only get better with age. So now that you know those flirting tips, what's next for you? Discover the signs she thinks you're fascinating, or learn how to tell if she urges to be with you. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.